Hi, somebody. Hi, somebody. How are you, my loves? I hope you are taking good care of yourselves, my loves. You got one shot at this life. You got to live your life for you, all right? Don't try to people please. It's not worth it. We on this channel trust our decisions and be the truest version of ourselves. We focus on personal growth, wellness, body, mind, and spirit, and I sprinkle a little relationship advice and financial key tips. Because why? I love you, Pandi channel. All the new zombies, welcome. Sprinkle the love in the comment section below. Share the videos with your friends, my love. Anyway, let's get into this nugget. I recently went to Memphis, Tennessee. I did, my loves, I did. I've been to Tennessee before, my loves, but not on the western side of Tennessee. Almost travel vlog. Memphis, Tennessee, rebel for a spell. I went there intentionally to get my locks installed, established, my Microlocs, my fabulous, delicious Microlocs. And I had that done, and while I was there, darling, I went to so many Memphisian. Is that a word? I don't care. It's mine. I made it up. Darlings, I did the riverboat cruise. I had the barbecue. You didn't tell me, fellas and ladies, that the barbecue was so delicious. In Memphis. And what else? I went to Beale Street. I went to the National Civil Rights Museum, where I cried. And I cried because it touched my heart and my soul. We have come so far. Are you worthy? The National Civil Rights Museum. Darlings, if you see nothing else in Memphis, please, it's worthy of your trip. It's beautiful. The people in Memphis are lovely and they have manners. Manners matter. So I'll be going back to Memphis. Of course, my love, I was peaceful, inner peace. I hope you enjoy the video. Hi, somebody. Hi, somebody. I love it here. It is so peaceful.
There's supposed to be 2 more spans connected to that bridge going down towards Arkansas. Now people say, what happened? Arkansas run out of money? No, Arkansas didn't run out of money. They just took that money and started the dog track.
We have come very far. Amen.
Another video is waiting for you.